He had nothing left. No job, no money, barely any hope. But somehow, he turned it all around. This isn't some overnight success story. This is about a man who broke down, then rebuilt himself from the ground up. And it all started with one decision. He used to be the guy with a plan. Graduated top of his class, got a good job, was on track for everything people called success. But life doesn't always care about plans. One year, it all collapsed. Laid off, evicted, relationship over. Just like that, everything was gone. He moved back into his old room at his parents' house. Felt ashamed, small, didn't even want to leave the bed. Anxiety hit like waves. Depression sat on his chest like a boulder. Some days, brushing his teeth felt like a win. But here's what changed things. One morning, lying down in the dark, he whispered to himself, "If I can't fix everything, I'll fix one thing." So he got up, took a shower. That was it. The next day, shower and a walk. The day after, shower, walk, sent one email. He didn't even feel better right away, but he felt something, movement. Little by little, he rebuilt. He started freelancing, started journaling, started going to therapy. He made peace with his past, then made space for his future. And now, he's not perfect, but he's steady, strong, clear. Because sometimes, the bravest thing you will ever do is to decide not to quit. So take some few moments, seconds. What's one small thing you've done for yourself this week? Drop it in the comment section. Let's celebrate progress, no matter how small. Here's the truth. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to do one small thing that moves you forward. Start there. Repeat it tomorrow and watch what happens. If you are feeling stuck, breathe. You are not behind. You are rebuilding. If you want more real stories like this, subscribe and join the community that believes in second chances. Your comeback is waiting, and it starts with one step. Take care and God bless.